whole world into a savage middle fingering all of my bitches just to remind y'all I ain't having it.
Welcome on guys, welcome to another video. You know, so I see me and Janelle there today. Different segment of video. We're doing a try on haul today for Latoya. She's gonna come downstairs and we're gonna rate her outfit. She's gonna tell us a little about it and then we're gonna make our own judgment, see if we like it and things like that, right Janelle?
Right.
And we're gonna rate it out of 10. So we'll see. You don't know when Latoya buy things, it always work out too good in that guy. We'll see. So she said it's a summer dress haul. Like the video, yeah? Subscribe to the channel and share it with somebody, guys. We're gonna enjoy this. So let's see what Latoya have in store for us, okay? So Janelle, what you say? You ready for that one?
I'm excited. You excited?
No, I'm not too excited because we are shopping spree. So we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Yes, girl. So this dress, when I saw it, I had our anniversary in mind. So I was thinking this would have looked really cute for our anniversary coming up in a few weeks. So what do you say, babes? Is this anniversary material or not? Janelle?
It's a one.
Yeah,
I like it.
kind of look good.
It's very comfy. It's more me.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's showing a little bit of cleavage or boob, whatever, but not too much. You know, that can be adjusted a bit. I like the fit right here. The length is perfect. Sizing on point. Usually I don't like to shop online, but I gotta say that I did good this time.
I don't know, anniversary, but I like to see a little more skin, you know what I mean, guys? Yeah, that one, yeah, it's nice, more like for, I think, more like a dinner date. Anniversary, I'm throwing a little.
Because we'll be going for dinner too. So.
Yeah, but anniversary, I'm throwing a little more spark in there, you know what I mean?
What are we going to split? What do you mean? One more.
Maybe it could have go up. It could have probably go up another foot or two. Alright, so let me see my score. So I'm gonna give this one okay, there we go. Ready for the reveal?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
10 out of 10, yes! Thank you, Janelle.
Oh.
Babes, you really give me 7?
Yeah man, that's a 7. Like, I mean it's alright. I know nothing spectacular.
Red is one of your favorite colors.
Yes, but
that's what I had in mind as well.
Yeah, but
right?
this I wouldn't pick this out of a crowd, you know what I mean? That's what I'm looking at. I wouldn't think it's like, you know, drop dead gorgeous kind of dress.
It's elegant.
Yeah, it's elegant, but you know, it's not stand out to me, guys. You understand what I'm saying? Straight. Well, you know, I never feel I want that, guys. Never feel I want that too much, you know what I mean? So, just hope so that one look better. You didn't like the one that you know, get a 10.
10? You really feel like I want to be a 7?
Why? I hope it get better from this, because if it get worse, I don't know what them results are going to be.
This one is a bit long, so I'll probably have to get it altered. So do not take off any points because of the length. You know, that's something that can be easily fixed. So this one was more like, you know, just hanging out, you know, with the kids on a nice Sunday evening, whatever. It's very comfy, has 2 pockets, of course. And you know me, I love my maxi dresses. So, and the color is just, it's saying Jamaica, it's saying island, it's saying water, beach, and all that good stuff, right? Yam and banana.
Yam and banana.
Yam and banana and all that good stuff. So.
Okay.
What do you think of that one, you know?
You know, it's okay. It's I gave house clothes.
House
House
clothes?
what?
House wear. House meat.
Oh, that one you're...
Really, Janelle?
House wear.
Oh, that one that look like...
House vibes.
Like you're in the forest. Where is the trees, guys? You see? I mean, the pattern, it's very vibrant and flavorful. But the one, our beach, like a beach setting.
No, this is like a sun the evening, you're going to the movies or something.
Movies?
Well, not really movies, but you're going for ice cream. Like you eat dinner and you said, okay, let's just go for a stroll.
That have to
You
walk
know.
on the beach. Straight beach. If you
It
have,
could be beach wear, but I think this is a nice Sunday
if you ever go,
simple beach.
if she go into the jungle in this, she lost. You couldn't find her all of them leaf and trees and all these things.
Are
that
you
you want to
kidding
go.
me?
Straight. I want
It's
that.
so comfy. I think you guys are misjudging this one, like for real.
How much you like that one, you want?
Me personally, I would give this an 8.5.
Okay.
It's very comfy. I mean, like I said, it has its occasion.
Yeah, I understand the answer still. You know,
Yeah.
So me don't know what Janella talk about house.
If I give
Really,
host-
girl?
Yeah.
Really?
that one you
A
look,
multi-wear.
that one you look like something foresty.
Wow.
It's like a multi-wear, like you can do warm and work in the house, you can go sleep in it, you can work from the
How much you get that one, Jimmy? How much you get that one?
Right.
Where your card?
Ush.
The Junior give this one a 5. Guys, I give this one a 3. That's to remind me of all of the 3 them. Alright guys, I'm tell you say that time shopping energy kind of set away. I get from bad to worse guys, you don't know. Hope so that one yeah, the next one is a little better guys, boy. The struggle real over here.
I heard that. Okay, so this dress. What?
Yeah. Yeah, but right, that one you want. Should I have 2 more splits in again, you know what I mean?
Okay. You say you wanted to see more legs, huh? Well, there you go. Legs for days.
Ah, no. I don't want that other version one.
Wow.
Yeah, that one look good.
This feels very nice.
Tell me
though.
a little bit about that one. Yeah.
Well, the material feels really good. It's lightweighted. It's, like I said, the fitting is perfect. Usually I have issues when I order dresses online, but I don't know. I did good this time, like for real. But I think it's sexy, at the same time classy. And I think the cut and everything is more modern, free flowing. Love it.
Mad, I like it too, guys. That one you look good. This are the red one I like, you know what I mean? The first red there, I don't know where that going with that one, but that one you look good. Julian, what do you think about that one? I think that one is more for the men.
That one you okay? The tie-dye vibes nah gimme. It not sell me, but the body of the dress look good.
Yeah, I think at the body me I work off I still got. I never see the tie-dye, you know what I mean?
I didn't think the belt was necessary.
Yeah, the belt not necessary. You should all look for take off on that one and nobody put on, you know what I mean? Straight. So how much you get that one, Julian? $3.3. Alright guys, look at that one here at 8.
But you're gonna give me a 3.3? Are you kidding me, girl?
You could just round it off. Guys, I
The
guess,
body look good if the tie-dye nah sell me. You know, and then I can see under the back white, maybe them be put in
the tie-dye is
the
here.
tie-dye in the back, you know, it look kind of cheap.
Okay. Alright, I like it still, I like it. I really hope so that one is better, guys. Just, it don't start off too good. The one a while ago was alright, but Julia said she never like that one. She don't like the whole tie and dye, you know what I mean?
So this is, maybe like Easter Sunday church. So I thought this was very,
I went at Easter.
No matter or something.
So anyways, so the length is nice and everything. Look a whitish and thing, but oh well. So what do y'all think? Lightweight? comfortable. I feel very comfortable actually.
I like the design. I like the pattern of this one. The top part look a little fussy. For the bottom part look like a little mini dress. The top part look more like something more elegant.
True.
Like I get two different vibes from it, you know what I mean?
True thing.
But I could see that, you know what I mean, on a date. I
Yeah, I
mean,
could probably wear on a date too. Like
it wouldn't broke the
cute
vibes.
like a date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Janelle?
It looks similar to a dress where you buy me.
But I like the pattern. It looks very
The pattern looks good.
vibrant, and the green is uncommon. So I thought it was, you know.
Straight
It
up.
looks good.
So how much you rate this one, Janelle? This one for me, I could get like
I don't think I had buttoned the top because too hot right now.
5.7.
5.7, Janelle? I can't wait for you to them rate in the comment section below. I can't wait because I don't know what's going on in here.
It
Like
look
for real.
good. It look
I don't know
good.
what's going on in here. Y'all just a bunch of haters is what's going on
Let
in
me tell you,
here.
it look good.
My one is
6.
Okay, we're there on the same route. It
yeah.
look good, but me I tell you, it not like Ian said, it not match. It I give first up top and then take give another vibe.
We need fussy up top.
But it doesn't look the same. The top part look fussy and the bottom part look a little
So the
too...
one at the bottom half look fussy as well?
No, look more elegant because
That
the
would
top
be
look...
too fussy though.
The top elegant, I think the bottom should have match it. That come like when you have a nice girl there with a little cuff man. So you know, the top look nice, but the bottom look too... The bottom look like they run out of material.
One more outfit and that's it.
Yeah, Vexar.
Y'all
You're gonna
y'all
go Vexar. Or
like for real.
Guys, me do the website get better, but
I get
you can give us. You can't give us. Alright, Janelle, she said that one is the last one, so she must go out with a bang, guys. It can't continue like this, you understand? So let's see what she have up her sleeve.
wow, this looks great.
So this one, guys, again, size, fit, true to size on this one. It's very lightweight, which I like because we don't know the Texas hot when I need no heavy clothing and all of that. But the only problem I have with this is the hemming. I wish it was more flatter. Maybe I just need to press it down some more to, you know, kind of. But this part is not very flattering. That's my only issue right now with this dress. But I think the whole concept of the dress, the style, the cut, I think they were on point on this one.
Split them at work for me, guys. Once me see a split,
And I think it would be a cute little, you know, date night. You know, a look cute for your hubby. You know what I mean? Kind of put some sparkle into the thing. Yeah, I think this dress does it. Apart from the hemming.
yeah, I like that one, yeah. In a real life. It's not too long, it's not too short, it have some style to it. And the color nice, the guys. It's a very nice green. It look very
Silverish.
velvety green, you know what I mean? I like it. I love that one, yeah. What do you think, Janelle? What do you think about this one?
It's amazing. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, so that one, yeah,
Very good.
amazing.
Oh, wow.
Straight. So, alright. Scores for this one, guys.
Woo.
Ready? Alright.
A 10 and a 12. Yes, finally. Jeez.
Yeah, you need to get more. You need to get more of them one. The red one.
And if you notice that most of these dresses, they had the half shoulder thing, which I don't think I've ever owned a dress like that before. So I kind of got carried away with the same, you know, style and stuff. But oh well.
Yeah.
Looks good.
This one look nice. It's very elegant. It look classy and. Don't know about the dance, guys. The dance
Yeah, so
kind
you can move in it. See, it's well wide. You can spread out. Yeah, now you're saying I'm a pose and it's easily fit. You zoom in. You know
Oh.
me a talk. You know what me a talk, puppy.
So this is it?
This is it.
Okay.
So guys, what is your favorite?
Yeah,
Come true for your girl.
Straight.
Come true for your
So
girl.
guys, tell us what you think. I give this one a 10. Let us know what y'all think about all these dresses, you know. Give us your ratings and your feedback. Let me know if we were unfair in our judgment.
Yes, you were.
So Taj,
Hashtag unfair bad mind. These judges.
Oh,
Yes.
shut up.
and
No, both of y'all.
hashtag
Both of y'all gonna get eaten up in the comment section is what's gonna happen.
hashtag if you can't stand the heat, come out of the kitchen.
Tell them again.
But guys, big up on yourself. Like the video, share it with someone, and leave us a comment, alright?